Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're running an online store or a business and not using Klaviyo, you're probably leaving money on the table. This powerful email and SMS marketing platform helps you automate campaigns, personalize customer interactions, and even build subscription and interaction forms, and eventually boost sales, all without the headaches of a complicated tech setup. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Klaviyo and set up your first email campaign. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your strategy, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First of all, you need to go to the Klaviyo website, that's klaviyo.com, and you'll land on the homepage right here, where you can scroll to see the different features and benefits of the platform. Now, to start using it, simply click on sign up here, or you can click on sign up here at the top right. So let's click here, sign up. Then you need to fill this form with your email, password, and some basic information. So I'm gonna fill in this information quickly and then click on create account in order to continue the setup process. And now they tell you that they are creating your account. And here you need to answer a few questions in order for them to customize your experience. So my business, how would you describe your business? Let's say, for example, supplements and pharmaceuticals. Okay, continue. And now, what is your main focus of your business? Let's say I want to sell products online. Continue. And now, what's your primary business platform? So if you have an online store on any of these platforms, you can choose it in order to connect the Klaviyo account to your store, whether your Shopify store, WooCommerce, or others later in the setup. However, if you don't use any, just click on I don't use any platform. So I'm going to click it. And now, how many contacts do you have? Let's say I don't have any contacts yet. However, you should choose the number of contacts that you have. Okay. And now you need to enter your address and continue. And then you need to add the sender information, the sender name, which is the name that you added for your business. And they are generating a sender email address. You can change it if you want to. However, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now click on continue. And now they ask you how you want to reach your subscribers. Now you can create email marketing campaigns or SMS marketing campaigns, which is pretty cool, offered by Klaviyo. However, SMS campaigns are currently available in these countries. So if your business is located in one of these countries and you want to start using SMS marketing campaigns, you can start doing so. However, for this video, I'm gonna go ahead with email only. And now I need to activate my account. So they've sent an email to my inbox. So I'm going to go ahead to my inbox and click on the confirmation link. And once I've confirmed my email, I'm redirected to my main dashboard. Now here you have your home page where you have all your quick settings. As you can see here, there are some steps I need to do in order to fully set up my account. So connect my business platform or my business online store, turn on website tracking, import my contacts. However, I'm going to focus in the video on how to create an email campaign. So to do so, go from the menu on the left here to campaigns, click on it. And here they can guide you through the first campaign, or you can build your own. I'm going to build my own. So click here on build your own. And here you can add the campaign name. So let's say my first campaign and the draft date, the type email only. And now you can add tags if you want to. So continue. And now choose the audience. So here you can choose from your contact lists. And the contact list, you need to set up and add your contacts from the homepage as I showed you. However, I'm just focusing now on how to build the email campaign itself. So I'm gonna add the email list and the preview list. Okay. And you can enable or disable UTM tracking if you want to. And you should turn on smart sending. And now click on next at the top right here. And here are your email templates. So you haven't created any templates yet. And you can click on create to create your email from scratch or view the email library for templates that you can edit. I'm going to do so because it's much easier as they have many ready templates that you can choose from. And the cool thing is that the templates are shown to you based on your business type. So because I chose supplements and pharmaceutical, they are showing me now some templates that are focused on this type of business. So go ahead and choose one that you like. Let's say I like this one in black. It looks pretty good. Click on it. And you can see how it'll look like on the desktop or a mobile phone, which are the email campaigns here are optimized for mobile devices. And if you decide to use it, simply click on use template. And now it's opened in the editor. And here you can click on any like block or any part of the template in order to edit it. As you can see, as I hover over any part, it's highlighted and I can edit it. Or you can even add blocks, additional blocks here if you want to. So for example, I can add a table, text, button, image, and so on. Let's add a button here, like on top of this image. So just drag the block here. And as you can see, as I move it, like in between the blocks that are already available or already in the template, they are showing me where it is like placed. So I'm gonna leave it here. And as you can see, it adds a button. Now for the button here, I can, if I go ahead and click on the button, I can modify the text. So for example, click me, and the link address, let's redirect it, for example, to your, of course, in this case, your own product page, or and I'm just setting an example, google.com. Okay, and you can edit the font and edit the font color. Okay, edit all the style, font style and font alignment and everything. Borders, drop shadow, background color. Let's edit the background color here of the button. Okay, it's black. Let's make it a bit red. Of course, I know this doesn't look good, but I'm just showing you the different settings that you can change. Okay, this looks good here. Now, to edit any block, simply click on it. So the image here or the logo place, simply click on it. And you can change your logo, you can crop it, you can replace it, you can add text, you can add link. So I'm going to replace it with an image from my computer. Click on upload image here. And I'm going to upload just a random image from my computer. This one, it's going to upload here. And now it's added as my logo. So I have a cute cat as my business logo, which is pretty good. And to, for example, edit this image like a block here, I can replace the images. So let's upload another image. Now let's upload this one. Another random image, I know. Okay, looking good. And now the image is replaced. Now for text blocks, simply click on them here and then double click in order to highlight the text. Let's say, awesome deal. Don't miss it. Now we are ready to go. And the like text here and the additional text and the button, another shop now button where you can add the link. So you get the idea. You can click on any block in order to edit the content. Now the social links here, if I click on this social link like block, I can add my Instagram page, my Facebook, my Twitter or X, YouTube. I can add spacer and I can add another icon for another like social media platform. And I can even duplicate blocks, delete them if I want to, or just grab them and move them in order to reorder the blocks here in my email. So now, as you can see, the social links are now at the top on top of this image here. So it looks good. Let's say you finished editing all your setup here or your settings. Now you want to click on next, or you can preview and test. So let's preview it and test it. And now your email is looking good. So if I click on the click me link right here, it opens the google.com page since I asked it to open google.com. So you get the idea. And once you are happy with all your settings, you can see how it looks like on a mobile phone as well. Pretty good. And now done. And once you are happy with all the edits that you made on your template or your email here, just simply click on next. And now you can add additional settings such as subject line. So last chance to save big. Okay. And you can create A/B test if you want to. Preview text. The sender name is your name, of course. Sender email. You can change everything, but I'm happy with how it looks like. So click on next. And you get a summary of the first campaign here, the audience, and the email message itself, all the details. So a recap of the campaign. And now you can click here to schedule or send it right now to your contacts. So this is how easy it is to create email marketing campaigns with Klaviyo in order to boost your sales.